everybody. We got a call for another swarm today. This one is about 6 feet off the ground. Looks like it could be bigger than the ones that we got in the past. I got a 5-frame nuke in the back and a bunch of stuff, so should be an easy one this time, I hope. But we'll keep you guys along with us, and I'm super excited. So 3 hives of freebies coming up as long as we get there. It was about 30 miles away from my house, so hopefully the swarm is still on the branch when I get there. But we're all ready to go, and we will see you guys in a minute. All right, everybody, we're out here in Lake Carolina with the Salo family, and we got us a little cluster we're going to shake out of this tree, and hopefully everything goes as intended. But you know, it is bees and we don't know. There's a full cluster. They're looking all nice, few in the air, and we'll be right back with you. Alright guys, we got the swarm. Got some bees on the box right here. Most all of them are in there, very few flying yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to seal this up, and we're going to Alright, hey YouTube, it's been a great day here at Walker Bee Ranch. Did some chores, and then we got a call to go pick up a swarm. So keep watching. I'll show you what we did, and we are back at the house. There was one straggler bee back at the house. See how junked up with stuff my car is. I gotta empty it out, but it's a pretty good sized swarm in that box, and we're gonna put it in its new home in just a second. Hey everybody, so we got them in place. We're gonna dub this the Lake Carolina hive with Queen Peyton. That was the daughter of the Vassellos. So this is Queen Peyton and the Lake Carolina hive. I just put this white stripe here. Just got them reduced. Got a couple bees flying out. Lots of bees in the box. Got pollen patty on there. Got some sugar syrup. Get them fed up. Got a good, it looks like 5 frames in there. But some of those aren't drawn out, so it's going to be a good swarm. We're going to take good care of them and feed them up. Sorry about the wacky camera, and see how they do. So I've got, this past week we caught 3 swarms. We got the Queen Elizabeth hive, named after my oldest daughter. Then we got the Lake Carolina swarm hive with Queen Peyton, and then this one down here is the Queen Victoria, named after my youngest daughter. And lots of bees in all the boxes, guys. So people saying that they were getting robbed out and everything. We got lots of bees in there. I'll check this one over here. You know, I had the Ceracell feeder on this box. Didn't work so great. Not for what I was doing. Main reason was there's no vent holes in there, and it was so hot today that they started to beard. So I took it off, put a trim ring back on it, and was able to stop them from bearding by putting the vented feeder ring on it. and then we got this one. A little bit smaller colony here, but there definitely looks like they're drawing out some comb right there. So we're gonna leave them alone, let them call it a night, and then I'll come out first thing in the morning and check them out. So once again, this week we got 3 swarms. We got Queen Elizabeth, Queen Peyton, and Queen Victoria. So once I find them and spot them, we'll do an update. But right now I'm not worried about it. They all went in the box, did what they're supposed to do. They're building, bringing in pollen now. So we'll see how this Lake Carolina swarm hive and Queen Peyton do. And let me just make sure, yep, the Queen Excluder opening is the one that's open. And we'll see how they do in the morning, especially being right next to the other one. The one I caught today is actually looks bigger than the Queen Elizabeth hive swarm, but we'll see how it goes. So 3 swarms this week. I got the 4th on a trap out, and we'll see how that goes. Maybe it will, maybe it won't, don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.